harvesting some celery here to make some juice. And what I do is I just take the larger stalks from the outside of the plant and I leave the smaller stalks growing on the inside of the plant. So here we go. This is a nice large stalk here. So in Chinese medicine, celery has a cooling effect. It is both sweet and bitter. It affects the organs, the kidney, bladder, stomach, and liver. It is a damp clearing plant. So celery helps lower high cholesterol, lowers inflammation, helps prevent or treat high blood pressure, helps prevent ulcers, and protects the liver. Let me see. Yeah, it's also great for boosting digestion and reducing bloating. It contains antimicrobial properties that fight infections. So it's wonderful for lowering high cholesterol. And here is collared kale. In Chinese medicine, kale is a plant that nourishes the lung and the stomach. It is a blood tonic. It is bitter as well as sweet. So when I pick this one, you actually pinch off the larger leaves with my fingernails. Some people use a knife. Basically, I like to just take the largest leaves and let the smaller leaves grow. Kale is low in calories, high in fiber, and doesn't have any fat. It's high in iron, high in vitamin K, filled with antioxidants such as carotenoids and flavonoids that protects against cancer. It has anti-inflammatory food. It's great for cardiovascular support. It's high in vitamin A, high in vitamin C, high in calcium, and it's a great detoxification food because it's filled with fiber and sulfur. Alright, time for some juicing. Actually, I'll take a couple here. You want to keep your whole plant. Sometimes you get jammed up. Okay, I'm gonna pop in a couple apples. Apples are sour and sweet. They work on the lung, large intestine, heart, spleen, and stomach. And they are cooling. I like to alternate between apples and greens. Just fed in a whole apple. There, that's some nice juice now. Lots of chlorophyll. There we go. Cheers. Here's to the best ever. An important thing about juicing. So when you're done your juice, you don't want to leave it sitting around. You want to consume it right away because there's hydrogen gas in these plants. And that's what actually gives you energy. It's the hydrogen. That's the fuel. So you want to consume this drink as soon as possible. So as soon as it goes through the machine, you want to drink it immediately. You don't want to be having this sit around for more than half an hour because the hydrogen gas outgasses. Now you'll still have your enzymes if you were to put it in your fridge. And you've definitely got your vitamins and your minerals as well. But that hydrogen gas outgasses, so make sure that you consume your drink as soon as you make it. Now, do you see what I've done to make my cleanup a lot easier? I've used these 100% compostable bags in the fiber chute. So when I take this out, just have to spin that sucker out. There we go. There's my compost. Right there.